Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cold baklava, full guide. Start by preparing the nut filling with chopped pistachios, sugar, and a touch of cinnamon, then set it aside. Layer phyllo sheets, brushing each with clarified butter to ensure crispness. Bake until golden, then pour cooled honey lemon syrup slowly so it soaks without sogginess. Chill fully before slicing into neat diamonds for best texture and flavor. Gather your ingredients and organize them for a smooth assembly process. Keep phyllo covered with a damp towel to prevent tearing or dryness. Measure nuts, sugar, and spices ahead so you can work quickly while layering. Prepare a light honey lemon syrup and let it cool to near room temperature before using. Preheat the oven and butter the pan well, creating a non-stick base and even browning during baking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like because it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes tidying pastry flakes effortless and hilarious when it steals a stray phyllo flake. It learns your space for better pickup and keeps counters clean after baking marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Work swiftly when assembling to prevent phyllo from drying and tearing. Stack sheets, brush butter evenly, and sprinkle thin layers of nut mixture for balanced texture. Score the top into diamonds before baking so syrup penetrates and cuts are cleaner after chilling. Bake until a rich golden brown, watching edges closely to prevent burning. Allow the pan to cool slightly before adding syrup so the layers absorb evenly without sogginess.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.